Welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we're finally fixing the Miata from the damage from No Star Bash. We have a drift event this weekend, and we need to get this control arm fixed. We're doing an Import Alliance, big event, a lot of people, so we definitely get this control arm fixed. I've got it all laid out. Tiller made our pieces for us. We basically have to recreate this arm using this arm. So let's get into it. So we got to add this on to here. There's a little lip. You can see right there. This little lip sits flush. So we've got to cut a channel out of here so that the cam bolt can move in and out. So let's get to cutting. I should probably...
what?
Oh, fuck it. See, I should probably like make it look nice. So we have slit this enough to fit this. Come on, to fit this. Ugh. There we go. To fit this in here. So now I need to get all this paint off so we can TIG weld it.
Safety first.
Safety first. Okay, so we got her all welded in. You saw the video. It's kicked my ass. I'm still getting used to TIG welding, but this section right here was the best one I did. Then over here it fought me. The back side was really tricky. And then same over here on this back side. So I'm pretty proud of that top one. My TIG welding still needs a lot of practice, but I wanted to do this in TIG and not MIG. I'm pretty sure my MIG would have looked a lot better, but I need to get better at TIG. I think I learned that I wasn't feeding enough rod in the first half. I had like a lot of like air pockets, or I don't know what you call it, but once I started learning to feed more rod in, go a little bit slower with the torch, it turned out pretty good. Also modulated my foot, turned down the amps a little bit, helped too. And I think I finally figured out how I hold the torch, what's most comfortable for me, which that helped out a lot too in the very end. So I still need to make another set, even though that side's good. I like to get more welding practice in. So maybe this winter we'll do another control arm welding video and see how much better I do. Hopefully it'll be a lot cleaner than the welds on this one, but it's on there. It should hold. So let's go throw it in the car.
fucking shit, you know that's me. Fucking bummer, I'm dead, I'm gone in my sleep. Baby, can you come down to the lake with me? I've been stuck inside my head, you don't know what I see. I've been feeling fucking shit, you know that's me. Fucking bummer, I'm dead, I'm gone in my sleep. Baby, can you come tell me that I'm right, please? I told you I'd never wanna fight, babe. I promise I'm not wasting all your time late. Smiling, but you know I'm not a right fake. Feel the clock steady ticking on my life, great. Tell me that I'm right, please. I told you I'd never wanna fight, babe. I promise I'm not wasting all your time late. Smiling, but you know I'm not a right fake. Feel the clock steady ticking. Come down to the lake.
So we got the arm on, got it all zeroed out. Before we jump anything else, I just want to give a little shout out to this guy up here. Such a great investment. It's probably like 40-some degrees outside. It's getting colder here in Tennessee, and it is currently 70 degrees in here with no diesel smell, which, if any of you knew, last year I had a heater that ran off diesel, and it smelled horrible in here when it was on. So, great investment. Very proud of that. Very happy and very comfortable in here. But back to the Miata. Got the arm on. Got it all zeroed out. We should be good for Import Alliance. We just got a couple little things to do with the Miata, but we'll do that off camera. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment. I'll see you at Import Alliance.